Hey guys, so today I'm showing you this VCAN emergency car care kit. So as a single woman, I always want to make sure that I'm prepared. I also have a 21-year-old daughter who works late nights, and so wanting to make sure that she's always got everything she needs in case she had an emergency breakdown on the side of the road. This thing has everything, and I'm really impressed at all that has been included in it. I've had other kits that only had a few items, but let me show you what's inside this one. So one of the first things I like about this is it has Velcro on the back. And if you've ever had stuff in your trunk and you take a turn and everything just rolls all around, you know what I'm talking about? This thing is not moving, right? So you can just lay it anywhere here, it's gonna stay put. So let's open it up. It actually comes with this really great explanation of everything that's inside it with some basic instructions in case she's never used one of the tools before. Okay, so first off, we have an air compressor, 250 PSI, plugs right into your car port thingies back here. My car has two of them, but most cars have at least one. And so this is perfect for if you get a flat tire, you don't have to wait for somebody to come get you. Everybody needs jumper cables. Make sure you teach your kid how to use the jumper cables. But my other kid, I've used them more time than I can remember. And actually, I let somebody borrow them and they never gave them back, which is actually why I bought this new kit. So we have some tie downs if you've ever needed to tow somebody, tow straps, tubeless tire repair kit, gloves, safety vest, triangles. If you break down the side of the road, you want to put these out so oncoming traffic coming up behind you knows that you're there. A rain poncho, a flashlight. Now this doesn't come in most emergency kits, and I'm surprised. It's an emergency hammer for windshield. So if you ever have to, you find a kid in a car, left unattended, or a pet, you can break the windshield with this thing. Finally, we have a basic first aid kit. So this has gauze, clippers, a foil blanket, to keep you warm, and a few other things. Really, it's just the basic necessities until you can get to actual emergency medical care. And finally, a tire pressure gauge checker. This is so handy when you go to air up your tires because the digital readouts on the machines, like if you go somewhere, they never work. Plus, if you're using this handy thing, in case the gauge on it's not working or it's not accurate, you can just test it the manual way.
So as you can see, this is a really great kit to keep in the back of your car for emergencies, especially if you have teenage drivers or young adults in the house, or maybe they don't live with you and you just want to make sure they're safe when they're out and about. It has everything they need, including instructions and this really great carrying case. So get it on Amazon today.